If you need some help with your lawnmower maintenance, you've come to the right spot. I'll probably break this up into separate videos just to keep them on the shorter side, but I will be changing the oil, showing you how to put your lawnmower in neutral if you want to push it, if it's a zero turn, changing some pulleys, the blades, cleaning it, you know, just regular maintenance that I think is good to know. So I hope you enjoy this video, and please don't forget to like, subscribe, and if you want to see any more maintenance, home, you know, things around the house that you need help with, let me know, because I'm a pretty handy person. So thanks for tuning in. For just the sake of this video, you probably see them already. I probably look like a crazy person. That's okay. Okay, so one thing I'd recommend before you start any project outside is bug spray. Or else, if you're like me, I put some on and I'm still attracting them. I don't know what's in my blood, but spray yourself down and hope for the best. Okay, and then once you have that all done, let's figure out what the problems are. I'm definitely gonna have bug bites all over me after this video is done, but it'll be worth it because we're gonna work through this together. Okay, so the first thing I would check is an air filter. This is one of the things that get kind of neglected, I think, and this is what you'll do, so let's do it. All right, cool. So we are in the back of the mower now, and the first thing you wanna do is find where your air filter is. Mine's right here in the back. You're gonna unscrew these little capidoos, pull that guy off. I already had them unscrewed for you. And then you're gonna take a look at the filter. So it's not looking too good, you know, like that's definitely like, yeah, we need a new one. So we're gonna get a new one. And I would recommend just like cleaning that out a bit if you can. Doesn't hurt to just get it nice and clean in there. All right. Yeah, look at that. That's gross. Come on now. Oh man. I'm wondering if maybe I should just do the clean down right now, but we're gonna wait. This is gonna be good. Then you got that all done. Take your new filter and your little thingamabob right there, and you just put it back in, nice and easy. Okay. Good to go. Clean all this out, and then you just pop her back on. Make sure everything's lined up. Sometimes they can be a pain in the butt, so just stick with it. Start screwing her in. Help me, I'm getting eaten alive. All right, that's done. We're good to go there. I'm not sure if you can see it, but I got bit directly on my forehead right there. So that's just fantastic. And they will not stop. I am swimming in my bug spray, and they're still attacking me. Anyways, let's keep going. One of the things you want to check are the pulleys. So if they're not smooth when they turn, you might need to replace them. So since one of my belts was a little on the bad side, I decided to go ahead and replace it and check the pulleys, and sure enough, one of them is a little not so good. All right, so this is a pulley, and you're gonna want it to sound nice and smooth, so it turns like that. Now I have two in the middle here that aren't turning so good, so I am replacing them now, and you might come across some stubborn bolts, okay? And one thing that you're gonna have to do is you're gonna need, well, I'm using 2. My bolts are size 14, so I got the size 14 AMs right there. And it's been, you know, it kind of broke off a long time ago, but it still works. So what I do is I take the bottom socket wrench, I find the bolt, put it on there, and then let's see if I can do this without, there we go. I take the bigger socket wrench, same size, but it goes on top. And I already loosened this up before, but just give you an idea of what I did. And then you just let it go until it's loose enough, which it is. And then you just unscrew the rest, and then you're ready for the next part. Okay, so now before I do anything else, I decided that I wanted to clean out my mower. Clean out my mower first. So you can do this with an air compressor, or I'm just gonna use a handy dandy blower, and you're just gonna get rid of that junk in the deck and all that jazz. So you're just gonna blow everywhere in there, so then we'll be good to go for the next step. I am probably most likely gonna have to head in today because I have just been bombarded and bitten like this might be a quick little tip or trick. You might know it, you might not, but check this out. So if you ever have a flapper that you might have gotten like it started ripping off and coming off, that's a quick little easy fix. I mean, I just did this yesterday because it was split all the way down, and I just decided to do some Bondo action, all-purpose putty. You just mix up this, and it comes with a little hardener, and you just take a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and mix her all up, and then you're gonna just spread it on there, and then take some black spray paint and spray it on or whatever. So you got a quick little fix up. Nothing crazy, but I mean, it's a mower, so, you know, like, it doesn't need to look all that great. I'm gonna have to cut this video short. I am getting bit up like nobody's business, and I can't think. So I am gonna wrap this video up, and then we will do all the other good things for our zero-turn mower here. I don't know, whenever the mosquitoes go away, so I'll talk to you soon. Just a quick little thing before I go though, since I have to roll my mower back in the garage. If you need help with, because zero turns are different, so if say you get stuck somewhere, your mower quits working, there's a way to put it in neutral. So there's 3 steps to that. Let's do it. Okay, first of all, every mower is different. However, mine, you see back here, there's this little pin. You're gonna have to pull that forward, put it right in the socket right there, and then there's the other side. You're gonna walk over and do the same exact thing. I kind of already have it in there. It doesn't want to go all the way, but you know, it gets the job done. So you have 2 of those, and then you want to put it off the parking brake, and then last step is put these guys in, and then you're ready to roll. Like I said, every mower is different. You might have some tiny pins in like the back area around, I want to say they'd be probably right here, and you know, here on the newer models and stuff like that. They're really fine. They're finer pins than what I just showed you, but hopefully that helps. And then you can roll her on in. You just gotta get the momentum going, but hope that helps. I gotta go, getting bit up. See you in the next video.